Hi everyone, let me tell you a story. I have a component library and it has a pro version, and in the pro version I have blocks. And if you click any of these blocks, it will show all the blocks in one page. So right now I'm in hero, so all the hero blocks in one single page. But what I want, when you go to the hero page, then you will see all the blocks. Then you can click the blocks you want to open and you can see the preview. But when you go to the code, you will see the error. So this error basically in dynamic page is not getting the path, but when it's in static page, then it start getting the path. And I try my best to resolve this issue, and it takes a month get an idea how I can do that. After trying so many things, I try APIs to get the code, but that also not working. So then after that I find something called raw loader. After you install it, what you have to do, you have to add it in the next config like this. Now let's create a file at the root of your projects, and then just do two things. One, add require before the file name, and end of the file name you just have to add raw so that it read the whole code and give you the code. Let's say you want to explore a dynamic page. So we are in the dynamic page like page.tsx. This is for about page. We have this ID, dynamic ID, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna find that specific component from the data we have in the root of our projects. And after getting the block, we'll passing that in this new tab called preview. So if you click on that, you'll see I'm creating a structure to showcase that. I'm using Siki, but it doesn't matter what you are using to show your code. But the main point over here is how you can get the raw content. So it's so simple. You just have to get the raw content from the file source. You don't have to do anything else while you're using raw loader. So that's the best part. And then pass it over in the pre-code, because this is a pre-code and we are using Siki highlighted code, this one, to showcase the code. So this is the dynamic page agency heroes, which is this one. And if I go to the code base, I can see the code on production. And so that's the story that I really want to resolve, and at last it resolved.